Welcome to Langlish. Today we will be dealing with two prepositions for vehicles, in and on. What's the difference? Look at these examples. Keep watching, we're gonna find out the difference. In is used for small vehicles that you can enter and sit in. There's a restriction on movement. On is used for large vehicles where you can sit, stand, and walk, or while you're riding on top. There is freedom of movement. Now let's try. 1. We're a train. This is a large vehicle, so we say in a train. 2. I'm a bike. I'm riding on top of a bike, so we say on. 3. I'm a carriage. This is a small vehicle and there is restriction of movement, so we say in a carriage. 4. I'm a canoe. You tell me which one to use, in or on. And please subscribe for more content.